In this video, we will see the procedure to create custom line types in BricsCAD. BricsCAD software includes simple and complex line types, and we can create our own line types. A simple line type consists of lines, gaps, and dots, as you can see in the Load Line Types dialog. And a complex line type consists of text and shapes with simple line types. Line types are stored in .lin files. Now let's create a new line type in BricsCAD. Open a text file in Notepad. Each line type definition file consists of 2 lines of text. The first line is called the header, and this line starts with an asterisk. Then the name of the line type. I'll call it as test line. Then followed by a comma and a description of the line type. You can also include an illustration of the line type in the description. The second line starts with the letter A, which stands for alignment flag, then comma, then specify the length of a dash as a positive value. I'll give 0.3 followed by a comma, then the length of a gap as a negative value, again comma, then I'll give 0 which specifies a dot, comma, then length of a gap, and this pattern recurs. Now let's save this file with an extension of LIN. Click on Save As. I'll save it as testline.lin. Next, load this line type in BricsCAD. So click on the line type pop-up in the Properties panel. Click on Load and select the line type file we have created and click on Open. In the Load Line Types dialog, the line type and the description is shown. Select the line type we have created, which is the test line, and give OK. Now you can see the preview of the line type in the line type pop-up. Next, I'll draw a line. Now this line is not showing the line type properly. That is because of the LT scale. So select the line, click on Properties panel and give a higher value for LT scale. Now you can see the dash, gap and the dot in the line type. Complex line types consist of letters in line types. And we have to provide additional parameters within angular brackets. The letter PVC within double quotes stands for the letter to be displayed in the line type. Standard specifies the text style of the line type and it is an optional parameter. When it is not specified, the current text style will be taken. S is equal to 0.2 specifies the height of the text. R is equal to 0 specifies the rotation angle of the text relative to the direction of the line type. X equals minus 0.1, Y equals minus 0.1 specifies the offset of text in the X and Y directions. Now let's load the line type file. Select the line type and click on OK. Let's create a polyline using this line type. Select the polyline, change the line type scale. Now you can see the letters in the line type.